So we're here at the Glenclydech Hotel tonight for the annual Sports Awards here at Neath College for celebrating our students in the 2024-25 season.
It's really important that we give our students the opportunity to celebrate their achievements this year. We have had some fantastic performances and accolades won by the students, and we're just so proud of them. So we just want to use this opportunity to celebrate them, celebrate their successes, and just show them how much we appreciate their commitment to us as learners and also to their sport. And yeah, just fantastic that they've achieved so much.
I was quite shocked, to be honest, because two of my best friends had been nominated as well, and we both play for Wales, so we were just didn't know what was going to happen. So I was actually a bit shocked, but I was really happy in the end.
Yeah, they've been really supportive, and with my training as well, they've always let me out the lessons to do my training, or also with my studies as well.
I think being here, I've been here 3 years now, and I think getting my assignments in on time and just being kind of working cohesively with me and the teachers all the time and getting my work done and spreading my sport and work just to time it perfectly to get my assignments in. I think that's maybe why they may have picked me, but I'm not sure.
I find it really emotional to see them go. You've been with them for 2 years, some of them even longer, and you just find it really emotional, and you see them go through their journey, and it just makes you, sort of quite humble to them really, and how much work that they do put in on top of their studies as well.
I think it's really important just so everybody knows that they've accomplished something, and we have different awards, so most improved as well, so it's not just the people who have just played for Wales and things like that.
It's been a fantastic evening. It's a great opportunity for us to celebrate the success of our students, but it's also great for our staff to be able to witness and see, and also celebrate their hard work and effort that has led to that successful year.